Yeah, this is the day in the life of a local truck driver, y'all. So in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me on my day-to-day basis at work. What I do on a daily basis, how I do it on a daily basis. This video is not gonna be long, but I'm gonna just show y'all like some of the things that I do in my day as a local truck driver. You feel me? So I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Oh, by the way, it is 6:45 in the morning. It's 6:45. 6:45 in the morning. So let's get it. Y'all, I did not get to get no footage for y'all, but I promise you, I'm gonna get some footage for y'all. So we'll make this a little short film vlog thing, you know what I'm saying? A little day in the life, like I said earlier. You feel me? You know, y'all know I like doing this content stuff, man. Even though it don't pay me, but we gonna make a way out of no way. You feel me? But right now I'm on lunch break. I've been on lunch break for about 10 minutes. I'm about to go and do me some noodles. You feel me? Do me some little noodles. I don't really eat cup noodles. But you know, it's just a little something to put on my stomach. You know what I'm saying? Just a little something. But yeah, I'm about to go and cook my noodles. Then when I get back on the clock, I'm gonna give y'all the footage. But it's gonna come from my camera because I know y'all probably noticed like a quality difference from the first part of the video to this video. I mean, tell me if y'all can if y'all know the difference. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to enjoy my break, give me a little peace of mind, and then I'm gonna bring that footage to y'all, man. I'm gonna bring that footage to y'all. Y'all, one day, shit, I ain't gonna be at this job. I ain't gonna be at this job forever. Nothing is permanent, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be at this job for the rest of my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna be at this job forever. Like, I got dreams. You feel me? As much as I like this job, I got a dream to chase too. When you clock in at somebody else's job, you making their dream come true. Feel me? I know in the video yesterday, I said, look at my glove. You see how hard I'm working for somebody else? Like, I can be doing this for myself. Like the video that I made yesterday, I was basically trying to encourage people to keep their 9 to 5 and don't rely on content creation. But you know what I'm saying? Like, if content creation is your dream, chase your dream. Like, work your 9 to 5. That's all I'm saying. Work your 9 to 5, but chase your dream too. Use your 9 to 5 as a stepping stone. You know what I'm saying? I say that all the time. And like, I ain't gonna lie. Somebody said that, like, when I said that, somebody said, man, you said the same thing that what's that dude name, that YouTube, DGG, whatever his name is. They said you said the same thing he said. Never watched his videos, never even heard the dude until somebody said, DGG said it. And I was like, said what? And he was like, um, use your 9 to 5 as a stepping stone, or use your 9 to 5 to fund your future. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? And like, I was like, oh, I don't know. I ain't never even ever heard of dude before, but like, whatever. You feel me? But that's all I'm saying though. Is like, man, work your 9 to 5, but still have time to make your dream come true. You know what I'm saying? Because a nigga don't want to, be stuck in no 9 to 5 forever, making somebody else's dream come true. You know what I'm saying? Like, when you can be out, uh, recording your videos, or starting. This not even just starting a business with creating content. I'm talking about starting a business. I don't even know what I just said, if it makes sense, but like, if you start a business, you know what I'm saying, work your 9 to 5 until you get your business off the ground. You know what I'm saying? Take the money that you make it at that 9 to 5 and use it to build your business. You know what I'm saying? I know uh, people be like, oh, well, I don't know if I'd be able to do that because I got bills. You know what I'm saying? Like, use one paycheck to pay bills. When you get paid again, you get paid multiple times a month. You know what I'm saying? So take a take a take one of your checks, a percentage of your check, and put it into your own business. You know what I mean? Start your own business. Just keep doing it like that until you get it off the ground. You know what I'm saying? Because one day it's gonna pop. You know what I'm saying? But I'm done yapping. I gotta pull off real quick, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, y'all. This is inside the truck. You know what I'm saying? Steering wheel. Got my little headset right there. Radio. Got all your little functions right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what half of this stuff do right here. I don't even I don't even know what half of this stuff do. I know this right here, it dropped the airbags. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. This right here, hold on, let me move my junk out of the way. This right here, PTO, and this little thing right here, they work together. Then you got your knobs right here. You got your yellow knob and red knob. The difference between these two is the yellow knob, this one right here, it's like when you put your car in and drive and neutral and all that, but all that is right here. You got L, D, N, R. You know what I'm saying? They work with this. It's a lot to learn about this truck, but this right here, it worked with the trailer. You know what I'm saying? It released air to the trailer. You know what I'm saying? This right here just a parking brake. You know what I'm saying? Then you got my little time clock right here. You know what I'm saying? Focus on it. How long I've been on break for 22 minutes. Been on break for 22 minutes. Got my other phone. I done drunk all my Pepsi. If y'all don't know, Pepsi is my favorite. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? But yeah, this the inside of the truck right now. I'm on break. You feel me? I'm on break. I'm at Speedway. You feel me? Low key. But I'm about to go warm my noodles up. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. Alright, this the screen right here that we use to log in. Let me log in right quick. Alright, then y'all come to a screen like this. Hit the little plus right there. And then you're gonna do that right there. Then we gotta put the trailer number in. But let's go and hook the trailer up though. Look at my glove. That's it right there. We're gonna come on with that. We're gonna kick the tires. Look at this. Look at this. Trying to get back there nowhere. They be tripping on us about cameras and stuff, so I gotta be careful. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Bro, it's the end of the day. We gotta fill the truck up because motherfucker be telling on motherfuckers like that. Excuse my language, but people be telling on each other about trash and not putting fuel in the truck. So we gotta put fuel in the truck. So let's get to it. You gotta put fuel in the truck. It's crazy, but We gotta put that fuel in the truck. Put that fuel in the truck. Gotta put that fuel in the truck. Put that fuel in the truck. Y'all hear that? Y'all put that fuel in the truck. I ain't gonna put a lot because I don't need that much. Put that fuel in the truck. Put that fuel in the truck. You know what I mean? It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff that come with this truck driving stuff, y'all. But you know, it's all good. Anybody that want to drive trucks, I encourage you to go and do it. See, look at that, we full already. Y'all heard the click. I don't want to hear nobody's mouth. I don't need nobody come to me saying nothing about what I didn't do or what I did. You know what I mean? This is the day in the life with a local truck driver. It's the end of the day. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. With that being said, we are out, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Peace.